Keep wood posts clear of direct soil contact to prevent rot and extend service life. For house construction, the simplest thumb rule is to provide sufficient ground clearance and a proper base to keep the post end dry. Set the post on a concrete pier that elevates the post above finish grade by approximately 2 to 6 inches and slope the surrounding soil away from the pier to shed water. Use pressure-treated lumber rated for ground contact or select naturally durable species such as cedar or black locust when exposure is expected, and seal end grain with a penetrating preservative immediately after cutting. Fit a corrosion-resistant metal post anchor or post cap that lifts and secures the timber without letting the timber sit in soil, and ensure the anchor design allows water to drain away rather than trap it. Fasteners should be stainless steel or hot-dipped galvanized to resist corrosion that can accelerate decay at joints. For posts that remain exposed, apply a breathable exterior finish and inspect annually for settling, soil splash, or cracks so you can regrade or recoat before decay begins. Common mistakes include setting posts directly in soil, which leads to rapid decay, so instead pour a compacted concrete pier and place the post above grade. Using untreated or inappropriate species for ground exposure, which shortens service life, so choose pressure-treated or naturally durable woods and protect end grain, and using anchors or caps that trap water, which accelerates rot. So pick anchors with drainage and seal around fasteners to shed moisture. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers resources tailored to exterior wood post best practices, helping people find skilled trades for proper pier and anchor installation. We also help contractors find work and contribute to a community discussion forum where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.